So University of Auckland is the largest university in New Zealand. We started our journey with Snowflake or the modern data platform about 5 years back, and at that point in time, our main challenge was how we are going to move the massive amount of data that we have our on-prem system. We were building the modern data platform on Snowflake, but we were not sure how we are going to get all the data into Snowflake. So at that point, we were looking for a tool which can help us to bridge that gap.
Fivetran and Snowflake are commonly known as the gold standard of the modern data platform, and the reason being the simplicity, the ease of use, the reliability and scale. Fivetran accelerates the time to value for Snowflake and implementations because we take care of two core principles. One is the ingestion bottleneck, and then two is the governance and the quality. We've built it for you with our no-code platform, and you can do it with trusting the data to be able to move it securely and reliably so you don't have to build a big team.
My team has about 9 developers right now. A lot of time they were spending on maintaining and getting those data into the platforms rather than driving value from that data. With the Fivetran now they are spending a lot of time to build those data sets in a way that we can use the AI models, we can give better outcomes to our end users and give them the data in the most simple way that they can use it. Snowflake and Fivetran has been truly transformational for us. They have helped us to achieve the outcomes that we needed with our data. It gives us the simplicity, a scale, and the right kind of platform that we needed to get the right benefit from our data. The possibilities are endless once we get to the point where we can scale up our Snowflake intelligence into various different areas. We can see the benefit it's going to bring to us.